In today's video, we will continue where we left off in the first video. We will improve the wind shader by adding shaking of individual branches. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are doing well and having a great day. First, we will replace the old shader code with the new one, then I will go over the settings we have in this shader, and at the end I will explain the code in detail. So, let's get started. First, let's replace the old Vertex shader code with the new one. You can find the link to the code in the description down below. Then, we will remove the shader from the tree material because we don't want it to be shaking. Let's sync the uniforms now and have a look at the settings. There are only two, leaf shake speed and leaf shake strength. Leaf shake speed changes the shaking speed, and leaf shake strength changes how strong the leaves are shaking. Now, let's have a closer look at the shader code. It is rather simple. At the top we have our two uniforms, leaf shake speed and leaf shake strength. The function leafRandom is responsible for generating a random value per leaf so that they shake differently. Otherwise, all leaves would shake exactly the same way. When we scroll down further, we see the heart of the wind shader. Here, we are calculating the time based on leaf shake speed. We also clamp the speed between 0.0 and 20.0. Values above or below would look rather strange. Leaf factor will save the random value generated by the leafRandom function. It will be calculated for each individual vertex. On this line, we are clamping leaf shake strength as well. We also scale it down by the factor of 20 to normalize it a bit so that it is not too sensitive when it is adjusted in the material inspector. Here we calculate the final X position of the vertex based on time, leaf factor, and shake strength. And the same for the Y position. We multiply the time by 0.5 to slow down the vertical movement over time. This prevents the vertical shake from looking too jittery. Finally, we are passing the X position to vertex pos. And the same for the Y position. We multiply it by 0.3 here to reduce the magnitude of vertical movement. This ensures that the leaves don't move too much up and down compared to side. And there we have it, a nice looking wind shader in just a few lines of code. Feel free to play around with it and adjust it to your likings. Leave a like if you found this video helpful and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Feels so